The expression given here has an equation in numerator and a number in denominator. Whenever you come across such a question, first solve the equation. So we'll solve the numerator first. To solve this, we'll use the famous order of operation rule, PEMDAS. So clearly solve for parenthesis first. 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4. Parentheses can be solved simultaneously, no worries. Now don't make the mistake of multiplying 7 and 4. Always write it as multiplication and then go for the PEMDAS rule. There is no exponent. Next come multiplication, but multiplication and division always have same priority. And if both are given in the question, like this one, solve the equation from left to right. 56 division 7, 8, and 8 into 4, 32. Now divide it by the denominator 2, and your final result is 16.